In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view insights in Meta Business Suite. If you want to understand how your page is performing, Meta Business Suite makes it easy to access a quick overview of your results. This is useful when you want to track growth, monitor engagement, and get a better sense of what content is working best. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focus on where to find your insights and how to start reading the performance data on your page. To begin, look over to the left-hand sidebar inside Meta Business Suite. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different tools and settings. From that sidebar, click on Insights. This will open the area dedicated to performance reporting and analytics for your page. Once you're in the Insights section, you'll be able to start reviewing the performance of your page. This area is designed to give you a broad overview of how your content and page activity are doing over time. As you read through the data, pay attention to the main performance indicators shown on the screen. These often help you quickly understand whether your page is growing, how people are interacting with your content, and how effective your recent activity has been. Take your time here and scan the available information carefully. Insights are most helpful when you look at them with a goal in mind. For example, you may be checking whether your reach has improved, whether engagement is increasing, or whether your audience is responding to certain posts more than others. Even a quick review can help you spot trends and make better decisions about what to post next. If you're new to Meta Business Suite, don't worry if some of the metrics seem unfamiliar at first. The most important thing right now is knowing where to find this section and getting comfortable reading the general performance summary. Over time, regularly checking your insights can help you build a clearer picture of your page's progress. A good habit is to return to this area consistently so you can compare results over different time periods and notice changes in performance. That way, instead of guessing what's working, you can rely on actual data to guide your strategy. And that's all it takes to view insights in Meta Business Suite. Once you know where the Insights section is and how to begin reading your page performance, you'll be in a much better position to understand your results and improve your content going forward.